In Bolivia, there is a hotel that is entirely made of salt. The walls, the chairs, the beds, everything is made of salt. It's out here in the middle of nowhere, yet thousands of tourists come here to visit it. How can you build a hotel out of salt? How much does it cost per night? And does it melt when it rains? In Bolivia, let me introduce you to the first salt hotel in the world.
Hi, Nas Daily. My name is Juan Gabriel Quesada. My father and I built Palacio de Sal, the first salt hotel in the world.
30 years ago, Juan's father was a tourist guide, and he would often come to this salt flat, the Uyuni salt flat, in the middle of the Bolivian desert.
My father was one of the first guides here in Uyuni.
Back then, there was nothing there except for salt for kilometers on end. Where you and I would only see salt, Juan's father actually saw a palace, a salt palace.
He just had this vision in his mind, all this salt everywhere. What if he could build something out of it?
So Juan's father spent all his savings to hire some workers and started making bricks out of salt, even though he was not an engineer.
If people can make bricks out of clay, why not try to make them out of salt? After all, I am in a salt desert.
To make one brick, they simply took blocks of salt from the ground, then they sculpted them and solidified them together with water. To make sure the salt doesn't melt in the rain, they coated the bricks with fiberglass. Finally, they put the bricks on top of each other, and after 4 years, they ended up with this. They had the place, now they needed the furniture. So they made these smaller bricks and put them together to build all the chairs, tables, and walls that you see here.
At that point, my father looked at his hotel. It was good, but he knew he could make it amazing.
In the middle of the desert, it is hard to bring supply. This is why Juan's father did not hesitate to pick apart the whole hotel and build it again here in a more accessible part of the salt flat. This time even bigger and better.
People can't believe that everything is made of salt. Sometimes guests leak things just to make sure, but it is okay, we don't mind.
Soon enough, people started showing up in front of this crazy salt hotel to sleep there.
Now we can give a 5-star service.
It's a new day.
Espectacular.
Feel the wind shake. Feel the sunlight.
At the end of the day, all you really need is a spark of genius and a pinch of salt.
It's a new day. It's a new life.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.